Watched many videos about the star delta starter, but still you did not understand the wiring properly. Don't worry. In this video I'll explain the control wiring of star delta starter in simple words. After watching this video, you don't have to watch any other videos. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Supply wire connection. Connect the main supply wire to the MCB terminals. After that, connect neutral wire to A2 terminal of the main contactor. Now connect phase wire to 95 NC terminal of the thermal overload relay. Connect 96 NC terminal of relay to the stop push button NC. Now, connect other side of stop button to the start push button NO. Then connect other side of stop button to terminal A1 of the main contactor K1. At this point, if we turn on the MCB and then press the start push button, main contactor turns on. If we release the start push button, contactor turn off. To keep the contactor remains on after stop pressing the start button. Connect a wire from the start button in parallel with NO contact of the main contactor. This is called holding circuit. Now pay attention. From here, the start to delta logic connection wiring starts. Let's understand the wiring step by step. Step 1. Timer power connection. Connect a wire to terminal A1 of the timer from terminal A1 of the main contactor. Now connect neutral wire to terminal A2 of the timer. So the timer starts when the motor starts. Step 2. Timer control wiring. Connect power to the timer's common contact 15. Step 3. Star contactor wiring. Connect timer NC contact 16 to the NC contact 22 of the delta contactor. And then connect delta contactor NC 21 contact to terminal A1 of the star contactor. Now connect neutral wire to terminal A2 of the star contactor. This is the electrical interlock to prevent the star and delta from engaging simultaneously. Step 4. Delta contactor wiring. For delta connection, connect timer NO contact 18 to the NC contact 22 of the star contactor. And then connect star contactor NC 21 contact to terminal A1 of the star contactor. Now connect neutral wire to terminal A2 of the delta contactor. Wiring is completed. I hope you understand the wiring. Let's understand the working and current flow of star delta starter. When we press start button, the main contactor and the timer energize immediately. But we need the star contactor to pull in first. The timer path power goes through the timer's NC contact to the star contactor K2. The interlock to prevent a short circuit. Run the wire through the delta contactor's NC contact before hitting the star coil. This ensures they can never be on at the same time. The switch after the set time, usually 5 to 10 seconds, the timer's contacts flip. The star contactor drops out, and the timer's NO contact closes, sending power to the delta contactor K3. Delta contactor turn on. To turn off, we have to press the stop push button. Is that clear now? I hope you completely understand the star delta starter wiring and working. If you like the video, hit the like button and comment below your queries. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.